Okay, these next problems deal with molality. Now, molality is something that you can also use to measure concentration, but because instead of liters you're in kilograms, it's not very useful for liquid solutions. When it is useful is when you have solid solutions or even gaseous solutions, and you can measure like a solid solution, like a metal, by weight, and this makes much more sense. You still have moles of solute and kilograms. The solvent is on the bottom, and that's especially important here because it's possible, like you can see in this problem, where you get grams of two different things, and you need to know which one is the solute, which in this case is the NaOH. That would be eventually converted into moles for this problem, and that this is the solvent. So when you get grams and grams, you got to know where to put each one. And water is usually the solvent, but technically whatever you have more of is the solvent. So we just need to do a couple little conversions here, and then we can plug it in. First one we do is taking 10.3 grams of NaOH, and when you take 10.3 grams of NaOH, molar mass of NaOH, 40 grams per 1 mole. Okay, so I did a little number crunching here. We got 0.258 moles, and then I converted my grams to kilograms. Now I'm ready to plug in. And then what we get, I don't know why I put a 6 there, what we get from doing a little bit of number crunching on this is basically, if you're dealing with two sig figs, it's 2.0, and that's your molality. Okay, for the next problem, just going to clear a little room. And we're going to use the same equation. What I did to that equation, though, is I rearranged it. Reason why is it asks how much NaOH. And they give you the molality, and they give you a volume, or a weight of water that you can convert to kilograms. So by rearranging, I can plug those values in, solve for the moles. And it was very vague, the question, whether they're asking for moles and how much, or grams. So I will do both. Now you can see here, I turned my molality into moles per kilogram, and I turned the grams here that was given into kilograms. Kilograms cancel, and what I'm left with for an answer is 0.046 moles of NaOH. Now if you want to know how many grams that is, you would just take it one step further and do a mole conversion. Moles cancel, so you're in grams, and you find that you have 1.8 grams of NaOH. If that's what they wanted, you could always take it a step further. These are both acceptable since how much is very vague. But that's it.